Good afternoon. It's Sunday, and today we're going to learn Tagalog phrases. And as a start, I have my name is Presi. In Tagalog, that's ang pangalan ko ay Presi. Ang pangalan ko ay Presi. Ang pangalan ko ay Presi. Or you could still say I'm Presi. Ako si Presi. Ako si Presi. To say how are you, that's Kumusta. Or you could say Kumusta ka. Kumusta ka. That's how are you. Kumusta ka. Or you could just say Kumusta. I'm fine, thank you. And you? Mabuti. Salamat. Salamat is thank you. Ikaw? Mabuti. Salamat. Ikaw? I'm doing fine too. Thank you. Mabuti rin. Salamat. Mabuti rin. Salamat. And if you want to ask about the time, what time is it? Anong oras na? And since Filipino uses Taglish or Tagalog and English, we mostly say the time in English or Spanish. Like if you were asked, Anong oras na? Anong oras na? If somebody asks me what time is it, I'm gonna say 8 o'clock or 3 o'clock. Or in Spanish, alas tres. To say past 3, pasado alas tres. Pasado alas tres. Or alas dos. Alauna, alas 12. Also, as I said, we just use the English language to tell the time. So you could, if someone asks you, Anong oras na? You could just say 3 p.m. or 2:30, 2:10, 12, 5. And to say thank you is Salamat. Salamat. You're welcome. Walang anuman. Walang anuman. Come here. Halika. Or you could say, halika dito. Halika dito. Halika dito. And to say, come, let's eat. Halika. Kain tayo. Halika, kain tayo. If someone is taking too much time and you want to say hurry up, dali. Dali. Or dalian mo. Dalian mo. Or dali. That means hurry up. And where is the kitchen? Where is saan? Kitchen is kusina. I already made a video about this before, like how to say kitchen, garage, room, bedroom, living room. So if you wanna see that video, I'm gonna put the link below so you could see that. Just click on show more. Where is the kitchen? That's saan ang kusina. Or you wanna ask, if you wanna use the restroom and you wanna ask, where is the restroom? You could say, saan ang banyo? If you have visitors in your front door and you wanna say, come on in or come in, you say, tuloy or tuloy ka. And if you have more than one visitor in there, you could say, tuloy kayo. You could just say tuloy or tuloy ka if there's one person, or say tuloy kayo. To ask how much the price is, you say magkano. 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 I miss you. I miss you is miss na kita. Miss na kita. Miss na kita. I love you is mahal kita. Mahal kita. And I have can we be friends? Pwede ba tayong maging magkaibigan? Pwede ba tayong maging magkaibigan? And to say yes, no, and maybe, to say yes, that's oo. And no is hindi. Maybe is siguro or baka. Is she coming? And you wanna answer maybe, you could say siguro or baka. And if you're waiting for someone and you're with a friend and he said maybe he's not coming, that means baka or siguro hindi na siya darating. And you wanna say maybe not, baka hindi. Baka hindi. Yes for oo, no for hindi, and for maybe siguro or baka. Pronounce as baka. If you pronounce it as baka, that means a cow. And if you wanna ask someone if they're okay, are you okay? Okay ka lang? Okay ka lang? And what is today? Anong araw ngayon? Anong araw ngayon? Anong araw ngayon? Also, I have before we say goodbye, we have tao po. If you go in the Philippines, you would hear like people knocking on neighbor's door, and they say, tao po, tao po. It's like a polite way of letting the homeowners know that you're in there or they have a visitor. You say, tao po. Accompanied by knocking on the door, you say, tao po. Tao po. And then they would say, who's there? Sino? Sino yan? And then you could state your name, or Lisa, it's Lisa, or it's Mark, it's Pressy. And last, I have goodbye. To say goodbye, that's paalam. 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 Until next time.